Instime standard aluminum garage door is selected with the frame color matching solid aluminum panels. This product can be automatically opened by remote control. You can also adjust the desired height. The door body is light, solid and corrosion resistant, more resistant to weather changes, but also add insulation materials to strengthen the door's ability to insulate and reduce noise. Powder coating process prevents the paint film from falling off, and we can also deploy different colors of paint to produce different colors of decorative effects.